Alright, let's talk real talk, You're cruising down the streets of Miami. The sun is blazing, the palm trees are swaying, and the air is thick with a vibe you can't find anywhere else on the planet. Forget the fancy pants restaurants for a minute. I'm taking you to the real heart of this city, where the flavor is loud and the food is made with soul. I'm talking about a golden brown pocket of pure, unadulterated dynamite. A crunchy, savory masterpiece you can hold in one hand. We're on a mission, a culinary road trip, to find the most righteous, off-the-hook Colombian empanada in all of Miami. This isn't just a snack, it's a full-blown experience, a one-way ticket to Flavor Town. This little handheld wonder is more than just a quick bite. It's a story folded into a crispy corn shell. It's the sound of a happy crowd gathering around a tiny food cart, the sizzle of hot oil, and the smile from the person who just handed you a piece of their heritage. In Miami, the empanada is king. It's fuel for workers at lunch and the perfect late-night fix. Get ready, Miami's empanada scene is about to blow your mind. This is gonna be out of bounds. So, what exactly is this flavor bomb we're talking about? A Colombian empanada is not like its cousins from elsewhere in Latin America. Forget those flaky, baked pastry shells. The shell is the star. A masa de maíz corn dough with that signature golden hue and an earth-shattering crunch when it hits hot oil. It's a crispy, golden fortress protecting a treasure trove of savory goodness. Inside, you've got the filling, the heart and soul. The OG, seasoned ground beef and tender potatoes, onions, garlic, a secret blend with cumin that sings. But you'll find righteous versions, shredded chicken, gooey cheese, and a killer potato only for veggie lovers. The key, the filling is never dry, moist and flavorful, steaming the second you break that shell. It's the 1-2 punch of texture and taste. Now the cooking method, non-negotiable. A true Colombian empanada is deep fried. Oil turns a humble corn patty into a crispy masterpiece in minutes. Baking is for cupcakes, my friend. Let it rest a sec, then it's gone. And the partner in crime, the sauce, ají, fresh, zesty, pure dynamite. Cilantro, green onions, a little chili, lime, a splash of vinegar. It's tangy and herbaceous. The exclamation point, winner winner empanada dinner. To feel the soul of this empanada, we gotta hop in the time machine. Stuffing delicious things into dough is ancient. The roots go back to the Moors in Spain, wrapping meat and spices centuries ago. Conquistadors sailed and brought recipes across the pond. But this wasn't copy and paste, it was a culinary remix. Old world techniques meet new world ingredients. In Colombia, the hand pie got a serious makeover. Wheat took a back seat, corn stepped in. Game changer. Masa de maíz gave it a new identity, unique flavor and killer texture. Local staples like potatoes, abundant in the highlands, joined the party. Regions spun variations, but corn-based and fried became the street champion. Fast forward, Colombian immigrants brought culture, music, and most importantly, food. Recipes as connections to home, passed down by abuelas and mamas. Perfect for a fast-paced city, delicious, portable, affordable. Today it's a symbol, fusion, resilience, and a whole lot of love you can bite. Let's pull back the curtain on the all-star cast of ingredients. It starts with the dough, the foundation. Masarepa is the MVP. Pre-cooked corn flour, not regular cornmeal. Mixed with warm water, a pinch of salt, maybe a little sazon or bouillon for pop. Knead till smooth, this is where crunch is born. For the classic, ground beef, browned and seasoned. Joined by potato, mashed or finely diced to soak up flavor. Simmer in hogao, onions, scallions, tomatoes, garlic. Cumin leads the spice squad, seasoned to taste. Chicken version, tender, super moist, packed with sofrito. Veg lovers, potato and a pocket of gooey white cheese like queso blanco or mozzarella. Out of bounds. Finishers, cilantro for herbaceous lift. Some add annatto oil for that gorgeous golden orange hue. Use clean high-temp oil, crisp, not greasy. Every ingredient plays its part in a symphony of flavor. No small rolls, only delicious ones. All right, the moment of truth. You've got a golden crescent-shaped pocket of joy. It's hot, but not too hot to handle. First thing you notice is the crunch. A full-on, audible crunch. the sound of victory. Corn masa shatters, revealing the filling. Toasty, slightly sweet corn shell. Then bam, the filling hits you. Savory, meaty goodness. Rich beef, earthy cumin, sweet onions, gentle garlic. Soft, creamy potatoes soaked in spice and juices. Dip it in AG, flavor party into overdrive. Bright, tangy, herbaceous with lime and vinegar. Gentle chili heat that lingers. Textures, crispy, soft, creamy, meaty. Flavors, savory, salty, earthy, tangy. Simple food, complex flavor, a street food masterpiece, a flavor bomb you'll think about long after the last bite. A real deal street scene, my empanada quest. The sun dipped low, painting the sky in South Florida colors. A vendor grinned, passing a warm bag. I rolled west of the city center, windows down, warm air in. Mission, find the ultimate empanada. Not the sign, not the storefront. I followed my nose. And then, I smelled it. That unmistakable aroma of fried corn and savory spice. I parked and beelined to a bright corner cart. The maestro, the empanada king. Warm smile, surgeon's precision. Small fryer, big basket of gold. A small crowd, folks in work clothes, families, couples, waiting for fried gold. Sizzle, bilingual chatter, and salsa in the distance. This wasn't just a cart, it was the neighborhood social club. 2 beef, my friend, and hit me with that green sauce. Shells so crispy they'd shatter if you stared too hard. Bag warms through, AG fills a tiny cup. What's your secret? He smiled. The secret is no secret, it's just love. Made like in Cali for the memory. I bit in, monumental crunch, cumin steam, and Miami buzzing. Flavor Town. The winner's circle. My top Miami empanada spots. After a full throttle tour, I'm ready to crown champions. La Ventana Colombiana. No frills window, benchmark beef empanada, ridiculous crunch, perfect beef to potato, a G with a wake-up kick. El Palacio de los Jugos. Sprawling Latin market vibes, Colombian counterslings monsters. Bigger than average empanadas, chicken's tender and juicy. Peak Miami energy, sancocho, more sit down, takeout hopping. Empanadas is art, corn shell flawless, beef with hours deep flavor, gooey cheese options, family run, you can taste the homemade love. Then the dark horses, unnamed carts. Ask around, follow crowds, trust your nose, that's where legends hide. The winner isn't just one place. The real winner is Miami, packed with golden pockets of pure flavor. Wherever you land, there's a crunch waiting to be crowned. DIY Dynamite, 2 righteous recipes. Feeling inspired? Let's bring Miami street magic home. Simple, fun, and the payoff is a flavor explosion. Let's cook. Sauté half an onion and 2 cloves garlic. Add a pound of beef, brown and drain. Stir in 1 cooked diced potato, a teaspoon cumin, salt, pepper, then cool it down. Make dough, 2 cups mazaripa, 1 and 2 cups warm water, 1 TSP salt. Knead, rest 10. Press 4 to 5 inch circle. Add 2 TBSP filling. Fold, seal edges, trim clean. Fry at 350 degrees for 4 to 6 minutes to deep golden. Drain on a rack. Vegan, sauté onion and garlic. Add 1 cup mashed sweet potato, 1 cup rinsed black beans, 1 TSP smoked paprika, 2 TSP cumin, salt, pepper. Mash lightly, cool, fill and fold. Fry for classic crunch or bake at 400 degrees for 20-25, flipping once. So there you have it. History, ingredients, and where to score the best in Miami. This is culture in your hand. Tradition, family, and flavor crossing borders. That perfect crunch, that steamy filling, that zesty aji. Go on your empanada quest. Be bold, step up, grab the green sauce, and chase that crunch. Peace out. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.